diagnosed with cancer in 1986. So I am a survivor. I have thyroid cancer. I've had surgeries. I've had radioactive iodine. I've been placed in isolation. I hate cancer, and I am so proud to be part of this organization. And the main reason why I did it is because my mother, last year, 3 years now, in 2010, was diagnosed with stage 3 esophageal cancer. So I have spent more time with cancer, at cancer hospitals, and the work that the people do at the cancer hospitals is amazing. And I am so fortunate that my family is intact, but it happens to everyone's family. And I am here to show you that there is a life after cancer. I had my 40th birthday on Tuesday. And in honor of Jen Lynn, I would love to learn how to dance. Maybe Terry will help me with that. I'm still trying. But to all of you that have fundraised and all of you that have participated, I love you. My family loves you. I ride for the Lichtensteins. And I have been to Memorial Sloan Kettering, and it is a fantastic hospital. And thank you for letting us in LA participate in your organization.